Hey guys, RB the Garden Nanny. I am in the kitchen and I have a video regarding making a tomato sandwich. I have tomatoes that are homegrown and some that are store-bought that are homegrown. So I wanted to try this sandwich. I've been hearing how a tomato sandwich is very, very good. It seems very, very easy to make. I do not have any mayo. If I did, I would use that. I only have avocado, so I'm going to put the avocado on my toasted toast, and I'm going to put the tomato and a little salt and pepper on it, and I'm going to let you see what I think about it. All right, keep watching. Okay, this is my toasted bread. This is my tomato. I have red and I have yellow. This is not from my garden. This is store-bought homegrown tomatoes. And I got a huge box for $5. And I was thinking I know I was gonna make tomato soup, but I wanted to try this. So here it is. I have these slices that I'm going to just put on top. Let me put my avocado on my bread. Here is my avocado toast, and I only used half of an avocado, and I am just going to start putting my tomato slices on top. I'm going to add some salt and pepper to my sandwich. And pepper. And I'm just going to put it in the microwave just to give it a little heat because my tomatoes were cold. Let's go with 30 seconds. Okay, I'm going to give it a try. Well, my first impression is it's very wet, but it's a tomato, so let's give it a try. Very good. Very good. The tomato, I think, is very important that it's homegrown because, as we know, the tomatoes in the store has no flavor, has no taste. This is a good tomato, and both of them were organic from my local produce store, and it's delicious. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have not had a tomato sandwich, try one for yourself and see if you like it. Thanks for watching.